So here in the Northeast, vehicles properly get pounded. Here's a video grab of a video I did years ago, and you can just see the salt encased on the chassis of this Subaru. So coming across fasteners like this is very, very common. Now, just to show you how rusted these fasteners are, we're going to make sure that they can resist at least 25 foot-pounds right off the bat without any lubricant. And I created these rusty fasteners 2 years ago. I placed all 4 in a rock salt solution. They sat in the rock salt solution for a few months. Then I removed them from the rock salt solution and they sat outside in my backyard for a number of years. In this case, a little over 2 years. So these are really have seen better days, but let's just make sure that these are properly rusted up. Okay, so here we go. Right there we have 26, 27 foot-pounds. As you can see, they're really rusty. Let's check the other 3. So this is the fastener with PB Blaster. And right there, again, 25, 27 foot-pounds. Let's do liquid wrench. And right there, 26, 27 foot-pounds. Okay. And there we go. Okay, so as you can see, all 4 are properly encased in rust. Now, we're not going to cheat in any way. In other words, I'm not using a metal brush, a wire brush, to remove any rust. It's just strictly spray it on, and let's see if we can crack it loose. So the plan is to spray each fastener for 2 seconds and then let it sit for 2 minutes. Now this does go up to 150 foot-pounds, so quite a lot. So let's take a look. Oh, that was 42. There we go, 44.6. It just cracked loose. Let me remove this. Okay, 44.6 for WD40. Okay, PB Blaster. So here we go, PB Blaster. 42 point, oh, hold on. Stupid light. 42.3. Okay, let's try liquid wrench. Okay, liquid wrench, here we go. Wow, 13.1. Okay, that's the liquid wrench. Now let's try the custom solution. Now the very last solution is 50% acetone and 50% automatic transmission fluid. Apparently this works incredibly well. Let's find out. Yummy. Okay, here we go. Acetone and automatic transmission fluid. Wow. Holy cow. 2.4. Okay. There it is. Wow, those results are absolutely astonishing. You cannot deny how effective this combo is. That is shocking, but it's not the one I would choose. Now, wrapping this up, I just want to state this is not company A versus company B versus company C. This is simply what I have on my garage shelf. That's it. There are so many variations of WD-40, PB Blaster, and liquid wrench. So regarding these specific products, for me, liquid wrench is the hands down winner. Now the reason why I say that, this is a very small area. This is roughly 200 square feet. It's a small confined area, and I'm not doing work outside. The reason why I say that, the combination of transmission and the acetone, the stench it's very strong, and it just permeates this entire area. And I don't want to be breathing in those chemicals. Same with this variation of PB Blaster, this specific product. It works incredibly well, but the smell is so pungent. WD-40, not a strong smell, but this is really more for water displacement. In other words, that's what WD stands for, water displacement, and this was their 40th attempt, and that's how they came up with the formula. This I use to prevent rust on my vehicles. I spray the chassis, I spray all of the suspension components, the fasteners. It makes a very big difference over the winter months. So for me, the clear winner is Liquid Wrench. It does a terrific job at penetrating this rust, or the rust that we found here, but there's essentially no odor. I would love to hear what you guys think about these products, what has worked for you over the years. Again, outside, large area, I would choose this every time, but in a small area, you don't want to breathe in chemicals and just nasty stuff. This is a fantastic option. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.